Вітаю всіх на хвилях міжнародного інтернет-радіо «1000 друзів». З вами учениця конкурсу рефератів шкільного наукового товариства «Ерудит» Тараненко Єва, учениця 6 В класу. Greeting story was on the waves on International Radio 1 South of France. This is Єва Тараненко, a participant in the research papers contest of the school scientific society «Ерудит». A student of 6th C class, I represent the English language section, and today I would like to present you my work on the topic English city names, history in words. Today I want to talk about city names in England. City names are very important. They show the history and culture of a country. England has a long history. Because of this, city names in England come from different times and languages. The oldest city names come from the Celts. The Celts lived in Britain a long time ago. Some river and city names come from the Celtic language. For example, London probably comes from a Celtic word and is connected with the river Thames. Later the Romans come to Britain. They built cities and military camps. Because of this, Latin words appeared in city names. The ending Chester and Castor come from the Latin words castor, which means camp. Examples are Manchester, Chester, and Doncaster. After the Romans left Britain, the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes come to England. Most modern city names come from their language. The ending ham means village, for example, Birmingham. The ending ton means a settlement or a farm, for example, Birmingham. The ending ford means a river crossing, for example, Oxford. In the 9th and 10th centuries, Vikings came to part of England. They brought words from the Scandinavian language. The ending by means a village, for example, Derby, and Grisonby. The ending thorpe means a small village, for example, Scansthorpe. Usually, a city name has two parts. One part describes the place, like a river, hill, or a forest. The other part shows the type of settlement, like a town or a village. For example, Oxford means a crossing for oxen. Cambridge means a bridge over the river Cam. City names were not only names. They helped people understand the place. In the past, people did not have maps, so the name of a place often explained where the place is, how it is different from the other places, who lives there, what the place was used for, like trade, difference, or religion. In this way, city names were like spoken descriptions of a place. Many English cities got their names from nature and geography. These names come from rivers, hills, swamps, forests, the coast. For example, Oxford is a place where people could cross the river with oxen. Cambridge means a bridge over the river Cam. Newcastle means a new castle built for defense. Blackpool means a black pool or a swampy place. Many cities were named after people. Often the name came from the founder of a local leader. The person's name was joined with a type of settlement. For example, Birmingham means the settlement of Burma's people. Reading means the place of Readers people. Hastings means the land of Hester tribe. This shows that the community felt connected to its leader. Wars and conquest also influence city names. The history of England has many invasions. Each group of people left its mark on city names. The Romans built roads, forts, and cities. Lincoln comes from the Latin name Lindum Colonia. Chester was a Roman fort. York comes from the Romans name Ibercum. Later, the Vikings settled in the north and east England. Grimsby means Grim's village. Whitby means white settlement. Derby means deer town. Religion also influenced city names. Some cities were named after saints or church center. St. Albans is named after St. Alban. Canterbury is an important center of Christianity in England. Peterborough means the town of St. Peter. These names show how important the church was in medieval life. Economic activity and trade also influenced city names. Many city names show what people did there. Manchester was a city near an important trade road. Sheffield is connected with metal work. Portsmouth is a port city. These names helped people understand what the settlement was famous for. City names usually had two parts. They had a root and a suffix. The root was a name of a river, a person, or a place. The suffix showed the type of settlement. The most common suffixes are ham, meaning a village, ton, meaning a settlement, Bury meaning in a fort, Wick meaning in a marketplace, Mounds meaning in the mouth of a river, and Lay meaning in a forest clearing. City names also changed over time. This happened because of language development. Pronunciation became simpler, as the language had influence. Sometimes there were mistakes in old documents. For example, the name Abercombe changed to Etherwick and later to York. It is important to study city names. Studying city names helps us understand the history of a country, learn about the movement of people, see the development of the English language, understand the culture of England better. In conclusion, city names in England are the result of many countries of history. They were influenced by nature, peoples, wars, economy, and religion. Each city name is a part of history. These names have stayed with us until today and helped us understand England past. З вами була Тараненко Єва, учениця 6 В класу. До нових зустрічей на хвилях міжнародного інтернет-радіо «1000 друзів».